Sorry.
It might have been a shot.
What happened? Hey, have you seen Destination Truth? No. It's on the Sci-Fi Channel. It's kind of cool. Whoa. What time is it? I don't know.
10 after 7.
Oh, bath time. Bath time. Party pooper. I'm a party pooper. I'm a party pooper. I'm a party pooper. Here, come up underneath me. Go underneath me. Ready? Okay, that's it. That's it. That's it.